Hi everybody, this is Whitey from Whitey's Wicked Workshop. We are going to do a quick unboxing. It's a small little box, but it's heavy. This is coming from Dennis. Dennis from Black Market Outpost. So I asked him to send me a few things, and he was nice enough to send it to me, but I feel like there's something else in this little box because he did it, I think it's a flat rate. Yeah, it's a flat rate box, so it's like heavy. I asked for peppers, and yeah, I know it's not jam-packed full of dried peppers, so let's open it up. And, okay. What the heck is, okay, so I'll take out what I know right now. So he did give me some peppers. This is just like a dried pepper, almost like a paprika. It's called crushed paprika Bukovic hot. It's a product of northern Macedonia. My mother came over on the boat from Macedonia. My father's from the United States. But you can only get this stuff from a certain part of Macedonia. So it's really good stuff. We make these kiotinas, or it's like a hamburger, and they put like paprika and stuff in it. And then you put that stuff on top with a little bit of salt. Oh man, so good. So good. And I said that like I was Italian. I'm not Italian. So nice. He got me a bunch of these. This stuff is like gold because we couldn't get it for years. We would have to take a trip over there to get this stuff. So thanks so much, Dennis. Oh, so awesome, man. This stuff is gold. So now, holy crap, there's a whole bunch of metal items in here. So I'm just gonna like throw them out here. Let's see what the heck it is. Make sure there's nothing in there. Got the awesome Black Market Outpost new sticker. That's from his new icon there. And I'll be giving pictures, close-ups of these guys later on. So I'll probably be putting them in here. So this stuff here is, what the heck is this? Did he send me like a lightsaber kit or something? I have no idea what these things are. It's almost like you would put a lightsaber together or something. I don't have a clue. But they look really neat. Whatever it is, there's like a bronze. This can't be for a lightsaber. To put a lightsaber together, because I think they're all the same piece. So he must have just sent me some greeblies or something. But yeah, here's a chromed out one, which looks really good. I mean, they both look good. Man, I could see putting like a little LED or something behind it. Oh yeah, thanks so much, Dennis. He gave me a bunch of them here, so he must have got a box deal or something. So that's a quick one. I did try and get in touch with Dennis, but I guess today's the first day of hunting. So yeah, he's out in the mountains somewhere, looks like. Yeah. So sorry, you won't be getting any inside scoop from Dennis, but I'll find out what this stuff is, and I'll make sure to let you know in the video. So just a quick video, quick unboxing. I like watching reaction videos, so I figured that it'd be cool to do my own. So, all right, see you guys.